Hey everyone, we're here today to talk about the business plan for Mclaughlins Painting and Property. Mclaughlins Painting and Property Maintenance was established in 2018 by Kyle McLaughlin. Kyle has learned so much previously, and in having customers impressed with his work ethic and knowledge, he decided it was time to make his work known and offer it to others to help him build himself a business. A small family business that provides painting and property services, interior and exterior. Having so many different skills, it was hard to choose just one thing. We do interior, exterior painting like carpentry, landscaping, mulching, cleaning, and more. We love to make people's ideas come to life and help them improve their homes at great prices, friendly service, a fast pace, and with professionalism. The business is incredibly small, mainly Kyle working with help here and there. With his wealth of knowledge in landscaping, painting, and his overall drive to work, he has been able to grow immensely.
We strive to do everything we can to make your ideas come to life. Services and products, we give you the best customer service, and the satisfaction on a beautiful job well done. I'm Kyle McLaughlin. I'm the owner and operator of Mclaughlin's Painting. I have 6 years landscape experience, 4 years painting experience, 2 years of snow removal and lawn mowing contract.
Our target market is homeowners within 50 miles of Farmington, Maine, between the ages of 18 and 80 that either are unable to do the work themselves or simply don't have the time. They want someone dependable and someone who can make a job they cannot do affordable and beautiful. Mclaughlin's Painting and Property Maintenance offers a variety of services, including but not limited to interior, exterior painting, interior-exterior cleaning, yard work, snow removal, and light carpentry. By booking a project with us or getting a contract for yard work and snow removal, you are getting a dependable, reliable service. We make sure to make your project a priority and finish and check it out in a timely manner. By choosing us to complete your project, you are investing in reliable, consistent, professional, affordable, and accurate service. We take pride in bringing your projects and ideas to life and making them what you want, giving you the satisfaction of a job well done and a fantastic change to your home.
We offer a 10% military discount with proof of service. We immediately write you in for a scheduled date and give you time as to when the job will begin. If you have a small indoor job, we can also fit you in early on rainy day projects, and may reach out to you ahead of time to get it done sooner. If it is easier and you are able to provide pictures and communicate with us online, we can just come and do the job when it comes time. An appointment is not always necessary.
We currently use business cards, t-shirts, and signs we put out at the job as our beginning advertising. We also use Facebook to show our customers what we are doing and communicate with them. We do not currently use Instagram or a website, but both will be set up by the year's end. Our SWOT analysis, strengths, strong employee knowledge in the field. There are several areas of services and not just one. We are much more affordable than many companies around. There's professionalism and quality service. Weaknesses, there is only mainly one person. With one person, it means longer job times. Sometimes we would have to decline jobs that are too big. Opportunities, weather, casual networking, threats, bad weather, illness, competitor prices, and also competitors having more employees to complete more jobs. We bring our own tools to the job, including several different sized ladders, snow blowers, lawn mowers, paintbrushes, sandpaper, and more.
This is our operating cost. We started out of pocket, so it is minimal with room to improve.
Competition. The biggest one is Aurora Contracting in Farmington, Maine. There's also Mike Parker Painting, also out of Farmington, and Innovative Paint and Restoration out of Augusta.
Interior painting is probably some of my favorite.
Painting exteriorly is great because then you give the public a chance to see your home improvements as well as the work we've done, rather than just people coming in and seeing it in your home.
Landscaping is another way to get outside.
We do take several snow removal and lawn mowing contracts, and we do those per storm and however often you would like us to do the mowing. Oftentimes, it's every couple of weeks. Currently, home improvement is a huge market, with TV shows that inspire us and sheer motivation to make a change in our lives. According to an article in Money Tips at the Week website, are you ready to tackle a home improvement project this year? If so, you have plenty of time. According to the latest Lightstream Home Improvement Survey, 58% of Americans are ready to pour money into home improvement projects in 2018. The percentage of homeowners planning projects is close to 2017's 59% value, but homeowners are willing to spend more per project in 2018. This industry is something that will never really go away, but more and more people will see that with new ideas and more people want to keep up with the trend. Therefore, this market is huge and will always be fairly successful when done right.
Thanks for watching and check us out on Facebook.